how to trim video for Instagram story. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim videos when you're posting to a story. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So as you can see here, if I go to post a story and I add a video, there is no option to actually trim this video if it's too long or if I only want a select portion to be as my story. So what I need to do is actually, rather than posting a story, what I need to do is open the video in Instagram by acting like I'm creating a reel or a post. So I'm just going to press the plus button in the bottom of the app, and then I will find the video, select next, and now I have the option to select edit video. And then once I'm in here, all I need to do in the bottom menu is select edit. And then as you can see, I can see the whole video. If I grab the end of it, I can trim it from the beginning, and then I can trim from the back by just grabbing the little end piece right there. So now I've made the video shorter. Once you're done trimming, go ahead and select the arrow in the top left of Instagram, and then it will bring you back here where all we need to do is swipe all the way to the right and select the download icon. Once it says saved, we can select the X in the top left and select start over, and then keep selecting X until you get back to where you can go ahead and start a story. And then that new shorter video right here has been saved. So now I have trimmed a video for an Instagram story. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.